Good morning. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and the only economic data that we have on this board today is it looks like Powell is speaking at 7:30 before the market opens, so I'm not sure what those remarks are going to be, but be prepared for some movement before the market. So let's get into broader markets right now. You can see yesterday on the ES, we are still below the midpoint of this regressional channel that I drew here. So we are pushing higher, and it's still a bullish market intact here, but it still looks like it's consolidating a little bit right now. So until we get above this, I would say today's 68.21 level and hold above that, then we could push higher. But until then, it looks like it's just trading in a channel right here, and it's respecting these levels that we have here. This 67.57, 77 high, and you can see what was that from? Yeah, it was from Tuesday. Looks like here 67.47 and a quarter. So it tried popping below this 67.57, 77, and then you can see how it regained it, and it was respecting it right there. So that's a pretty good level right there on the ES. Looking at the NASDAQ right now, the NASDAQ was pushing higher again yesterday as well, but you can see it's still below the midpoint of this regressional channel that I drew from a while back. So right now it looks like it's consolidating a little bit here. I think if we lose this level here of 65 or 25,239.24, I think we come back down here and we kind of retest these lows here of 24,979. Not all in one day, of course, because yesterday the NASDAQ had a pretty good pop, but I think it's in order for it to sustain itself, it's got to hold this 25,279.43 level. I will plot that right now. So as long as we're above this level right here, which looks like it was Tuesday's highs, I think we can push higher. But if we lose this level right here, I think that the longs get a little worried, and then they're going to start selling out here. So that's it for the broader markets. Let's get into Tesla here. So Tesla yesterday, before the market opened, I added a level here of resistance here, and you can see how it popped up, and it just really rejected right to the T, where I have this resistance level here, which is January 17th high of 439.74. I would say right now Tesla is definitely in a channel here right now, so I think that if we do not retain this 435.35 level, I think we're going to see some more downside here. As you can see yesterday, we did come down and we touched the initial FMOC high back on September 17th, and then you can see how it's respecting the high of the day from the September 17th right there. So those seem to be pretty good levels that are being respected right now. I would say if we lose this high right here, I think that this is going to become a weaker level right now, and I think that we could definitely pull back down to at least January 2025 highs of 419. But on the upside here, we do have a point of control level that was open from Monday, I believe it was, and that level is still 447.96. So I would say that in order to get there, we have to break and hold above this 439.74 in order to push back into these resistance levels of 447.98 or 96 up to 452.75. And I have my same bias on this market. In order for us to push higher, we still have to break above this huge resistance level up here at 452.75. Then we can push back into new highs. But right now, it's definitely in a consolidation period right now. So let's go over yesterday's 5-minute opening range trade. And it's been pretty choppy most of the week. However, there are trades that are happening. So right on the open, you had a huge sell-off and the low on the downside was 428.06, and so it did break that level, and you would have gotten $3 out of it because the low was 425.23, and then later on in the day, it did break the upside for a quick minute, and you would have gotten about $4 there as well. So you can see that the range on the upside here was 437.80. We popped up there and we got up to 441.33. So you would have gotten $3 out of it. I would have, if I was trading during that time, I would have been very cautious here based on this level that I put up here for a resistance level. And now, as you can see right now, Tesla is just pretty much channeling out here during pre-market here. But there is, it seems to be a little sell-off happening right now. So right now we are losing this 435.35 level. I would say that we pulled back down to this 428.31, which lines up with the 20-day. Let me just make this larger here. This is the 20-day simple moving average down here, right at this level here, 420. You'd say 428.06 level to 428.49 level. So could get some bounce reaction off of that if we lose that level right there. I think we're definitely going to be pushing lower here on Tesla today. Anyways, that is it for today. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord, and of course leave any comments below if there are things that you want me to cover. Have a great trading day. I will hopefully be back tomorrow morning.